someone passes away, what happens to their belongings, their home, and their finances? That's where probate comes in. But what exactly is probate, and why does it matter? In today's video, we're going to breaking it all down for you. Probate involves the legal process of managing and distributing a deceased person's assets. It involves providing the validity of a will, paying outstanding debts, and transferring property to rightful heirs. If there is a will, probate ensures that it's followed correctly. If there isn't one, the court steps in to decide how the assets are going to be distributed amongst the heirs. Now, let's go step by step through how probate works. The first part of probate, or the first step, is going to be filing a petition. The process starts by submitting a request to the probate court to open a case. Now, if there is a will, the executor or the personal representative here in Arizona will be named in the will that takes charge. If not, the court appoints a personal representative. The next step is going to be notifying heirs and creditors. The executor or the personal representative must notify beneficiaries and creditors about probate proceedings. The third step is going to be inventorying estate assets. Now, all the deceased assets must be identified and valued, including bank accounts, real estate, investments, and personal property. Essentially, everything that the deceased has that has value. The next step is going to be paying debts and taxes. Any outstanding debts, funeral expenses, and taxes must be settled before the estate is distributed. The next step is going to be distributing the assets to the beneficiaries. Now, once debts are cleared, the remaining assets are transferred to the rightful heirs according to the will or state law. The final step is going to be closing the estate. The final step is submitting a report to the court to finalize and close the estate. Now, probate isn't always necessary. In some cases, an estate can be handled in an expedited and simple manner, but it must qualify for that process. And sometimes it can even avoid probate altogether through proper estate planning. This leads to an important question. Now that you understand what probate is, the next step is figuring out when is it required. Now, that's exactly what I'm going to cover in our next video. As far as what is probate, if you guys have any questions or anything, please either leave a comment down below or reach out to me. My contact information is listed down there as well. Thanks.